What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2, and today I have got another unboxing for you guys. So what we're unboxing today is the Nike Sacai's in a black colorway. We also have today some chopsticks. Now these chopsticks are not the usual shank that is found on Ben Windsor TV2 videos. However, there is two of them, and because we have the Nike Pull for Freshness thing here, it's going to be absolutely fine. Now these are actually, let's get this over, maybe the chopsticks. Oh. Oh! Yes. I'm not sure what that noise is about. But anyway, they're fresh out of the box. Let's have a look at these. And straight away, I'm going to hide any sort of details there. And again there. That is the box. So obviously unboxed the white colorway in the last video. Instantly got the box open there. And again, we are dealing with the same sort of premium box here. So I'm actually gonna just open my blinds a bit. This is only the kind of quality you get on someone that really thinks and cares about their videos. Yeah. Here we have it, the Nike LDWAFFLE Sacai in a black and white colour, in a UK 7.5, US 8.5, and a women's 10. So again, we have the premium glossy finish box. N-I-K-E, spells Nike. Correct! And it's a really nice box. And again, I'm expecting the same premium quality on the inside in terms of what is in there. Let's have a look. So again, really premium feel, nice box. And let's see what we have here. So again, I really like the paper that it comes in. I think that shows the Nike Sacai like collab logo there. And this will be the first actual look at the shoes. Wrapped up well. Now, first impressions on these are again similar to the last ones in terms of the white ones, but I actually like the colorway on these a lot more than the white ones, and there's a few reasons for that. So the first reason is that the actual black on here looks really nice. I'm a big fan of black shoes, and the black underlay goes really nicely with it. That is nice. Now that is nice. That is some sort of really nice suede material. I didn't actually even notice that on the last pair of Sacai's. I'm sure that it would have been the same, but that is really good. You got the platypus like back bit here. And let's get the other one out as well. But yeah, I mean, I think the black and the white works a lot better than the what's it called? White and wolf grey one did. In terms of, again, would I buy them? They'll retail up £140, and my flatmate actually just went all the way to Central. He's won 3 of these bad boys. So again, luck is on his side. But yeah, I mean, they're fresh. They are definitely fresh. If I was gonna get them, of all 3 colours, I know these are reselling for the most. I would probably go for this colourway. This colourway is the nicest. The black and white laces there really offset each other nicely. Again, with the black and white tick, it goes over sort of really nicely and blends into design okay. Also, they're not going to get as dirty as the grey and white ones would probably do just on their own. And yeah, I mean, they're just a smart pair of trainers. You could wear these with way more things than I think you would be able to wear the other ones there. And it just goes to show, really. It comes with some grey laces. So I like the way that on the white ones it came with the blue laces, but on these ones it comes with the grey ones. So that's quite cool. And yeah, they're just a really premium shoe. terms of this little suede bit at the back, that's what I didn't notice on the whites. I'm sure it probably was there. But yeah, the quality of these is good. Would I pay resale prices of like £500? Probably not. But yeah, you get what you pay for really. And if you want the latest, trendiest trainers, then who knows, you know, it might be worth it for you if you're earning bare pay at work and, you know, you're depressed and shit and you just think, fuck it, I'm gonna cop some trainers. So anyway, this has been a really informative and high quality video again from your boy. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff for more in the future, and I will see you guys later. It's been your boy. Peace out.